When and why should you consider having an inspection done prior to listing your home on the market? In our area, it's customary for the buyer to pay for the inspection. But when would it be advantageous for a seller to do so prior to going active, especially because it's hundreds of dollars? Now, no, we don't always recommend this, but here are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Charisse Walker, owner of Shocker Properties, and as a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. We've seen roof replacements costing $25,000. Imagine getting a roof built for $25,000 and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's fixed or paid for. But if you have already purchased another home and you need that $25,000 to qualify for your next home, what do? This creates a huge problem. What about this? Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new furnace or an air conditioning unit. You could do a few things. First, you could sell the home as is and disclose the issues. You could not sell it at all, or you could take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are the standard customary inspections that a buyer would do. This is why we recommend home inspection, sewer scope, and radon, and potentially illicit drugs. Not saying you have. In most cases, you have the options to pay for these upfront or when escrow closes. In regards to home inspection, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all the health and safety items are fixed. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought they were going to escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of the seller to secure and close on their next home. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. Also, if there is bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety work to be completed prior to closing escrow. So if they're already completed, that gives them assurance that the loan will go through. In addition, if you are a DIY person, then you might have to hire a professional because that buyer will ask for a licensed contractor to complete the work. By getting it done early, you avoid that and it can save you thousands. To wrap up, it will give the buyer, the seller, and the lender more confidence throughout the entire transaction and make sure that it closes. So that's what we can do. My name is Charisse Walker with Shocker Properties. If you want more information, please click Learn More and we'll be happy to help. Make it a shocking home buying and selling day.